YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back for some quick fix videos for you guys on Zodiac's TR2D suction side pool cleaner. So stay tuned, we're going to show you guys how to tear this thing apart from the outside in. Alright guys, and we're back. So again, today we're going to do some quick fix videos for you guys on Zodiac's TR2D suction side pool cleaner. For today's video, I actually want to show you guys how to get access to this back bumper piece that's located on the back side of the frame. The purpose of this bumper piece is just to help protect the frame from anything that may rub up against it, especially when this thing kind of gets into a corner. The last thing you want to do is be wearing down the back side of this cleaner and really getting into the frame, as this is like your main body of the cleaner. So what you're looking for is this little ribbed piece of rubber that actually runs along the back. Excuse me. So what you're going to do is you're going to start at the bottom. You may need to use a Phillips head screwdriver depending on if it's already fallen off for you guys or not. This is a new cleaner for me, so it kind of pops up easier. So as you guys can see, it just, let me move the flap out of the way. You guys can see that it actually pops right up, and then all I'm going to do is release it from this other top clip and it pulls out. So really simple piece of rubber. Again, we have this available for you guys to purchase directly on the website. Make sure you guys check it out. We got a full breakdown of the entire cleaner for you guys. But it is important to make sure that you're saving the life of this cleaner as well as the frame, which is basically the main brain of your cleaner. So to reinstall it, you're going to start from the top. You got to kind of tuck it underneath. There's a little lip here on the top of the frame, so you're going to want to kind of tuck it underneath so that you can get that first clip to kind of grab. And then once you kind of get that first clip to grab, it's all about just pulling it down from the bottom to get that bottom latch over. So it'll sit flush directly to the frame. You're not going to have any kind of bubbles or pieces. Again, if it's not sitting flush and it's not going in the correct way, it may be time to replace the frame. So make sure you guys check that out in the links in the description. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. Until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply, and we'll see you next time.